Oh, I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love in the dead of night, and you tell me that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Oh, and I've seen many searching for answers far and wide, but I know we're all searching for answers only you provide, 'cause you know just what we need before we say a word. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. 'Cause you are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. Oh, you are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. This love so undeniable, I can hardly speak. Peace so unexplainable, I can hardly think as you call me deeper still, as you call me deeper still, as you call me deeper still into love, love, love. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Good Good Father by Chris Tomlin / Housefires. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you liked and you didn't recognize them, that's because this is an advanced guitar cover, which means I used advanced guitar chords. So if you saw me playing an A like this and an A like this and an E over G sharp like this, those were advanced guitar chords, and I've got something for you if you want to learn some more of those advanced guitar chords. There's a link in the description below to 25 advanced guitar chords. So if you want to level up your guitar playing, then you can check that out in the description below. Just sign up for it and I'll send it to you for free. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.